as aerospace engineers, we are so focused on the aircraft itself, but operational, readiness and operational safety is a different beast of a engineering effort altogether.
ATC at LaGuardia, they would also be monitoring ATC operations that are happening in the neighboring airports in case there is some sort of an emergency, while also catering to the heavy volumes just local to LaGuardia.
The Potomac incident earlier this year,
Yes.
military chopper came into the civilian space. Again, that's an ATC responsibility to make sure those two things don't come together, right? How does civilian airspaces get aware and get notice without breaching the privacy of the military protocols?
It's a retired Air Force pilot who had said when it started flying, there was no screen, there was nothing. There was just a pilot with a good logical brain and minimum amount of information, and we had to fly. But these days, there is such an information overload for a pilot that sometimes we are put into the state of indecision.
Unfair that they keep saying that they used to fly without screens or much information. Well, they didn't have much traffic to fly with as well, so they
That's
don't.
true.
They forget to say that. Let them do that today. They can't.
It is an interesting time in Mumbai because the Navi Mumbai airport is now going to be open, I think, very shortly. So that is additional operations that have started in this entire area. So a lot of high volume flying from a very small area overall.
I will never trust pilots, I guess. But
Unpopular opinion.
Unpopular opinion. That's what my goal in my career is, to make sure there's no requirement of pilot at some point.
When we sit in aircrafts and we look at our TVs, there is a camera under the belly of the airplane. So can such cameras then be used for following an illuminated path on a runway, and they follow that autonomously, and you have somehow a feedback loop sent to a central software, and they don't allow two planes to be colliding into each other?
Systems are not built for failure. They have been checked, double checked, triple checked to make sure these incidents never happen. 99% of the time they don't.